Hey guys, back again with another reaction video. Our guest, Yui here, and today we are gonna watch my strange addiction, sex with my car. Alright, let's get this started. Okay, let's see. Man, TLC has all kind of videos. Okay, Royal AR.
My name is Nathaniel. I'm 27 years old.
Nathaniel?
And I'm in a serious relationship with my car.
Ew.
Hey, baby. Handsome man.
Nathaniel is in a committed relationship with a car that he's named Chase.
Chase?
He met Chase in a resale lot about 5 years ago.
Chase is a boy name. It's a boy car.
They was loving
Boy
first
car.
sight. His body and his interior, everything just together just seemed to fit. I just felt an instant connection.
Nathaniel's obsession first developed as a teenager when he would build model cars, but he didn't find true
So he
love
think that's a mouth
in
over there.
Chase.
Mouth.
I find this part of it the most sexy just because of the subtle lines and curves. I'll give him a kiss here.
He's kissing his
And
car.
just kind of caressing down the side.
My initial
Oh,
reaction
Kim.
was I was kind of shocked. It was kind of weird because it's just hard to understand.
Ew.
Objectophilia is a person desiring intimate object. Some cases include attraction roller coaster, an elevator, and Eiffel Tower.
Honestly, I don't know why I feel the way I do. But I just absolutely love Chase. We always have such a good time.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's
He
gross.
likes a lot of the same music I do. We have a favorite song. It's Can't Fight This Feeling by REO Speedway.
Sweet.
How you buy something for your fiance or your wife. And then usually for his birthday, I try to do something special for him too. The favorite date would be going to the lookout area.
Oh, cute
Just
date.
lean against him, going, just be with him, hang with him. Love you.
Oh, I love you too, car.
But Nathaniel's relationship with Chase goes beyond dates and presents.
We have our times when we get sexual. Does that feel good? That's amazing.
What?
They're getting sexual.
Love you, baby. What we do the most often is I like to lean over his fender and across his hood and do little things like that and kind of press up against him and rub against him like that.
I mean, that's not that bad.
That's gross.
That's not bad.
The car must be really clean. Has to be really clean.
Look at him underneath it.
Ew.
Oh!
It's very special to make love to
He's
Chase.
using his tongue.
I am worried for my friend because it's not normal, and you may have people that don't understand and make fun of you.
How is he doing underneath?
Nathaniel's so attached to Chase, he rarely lets anyone else drive him, and never lets Chase
That's
out
so
of his sight
weird.
for more than 20
So it's a guy
miles.
car and he's a guy.
There have been times it brought tears to my eyes because I wasn't with him at work. His picture's on my desk, so I see his face all the time. It really bothers me when he gets dinged or scratched. If somewhere we haven't chased, my heart would just stop. I just have to gather myself here. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Is he crying?
I am concerned for Nathaniel emotion-wise. I think life would be easier if he did change.
I mean,
No, Kim. He loves the car.
Nathaniel's roommate Kim is one of the few people who
Don't
know
change
the
him.
full extent of his love life.
I guess the reason I don't tell a lot of people is because I don't know the response I'm going to get. I always worry about that little bit of disgust that somebody may have.
But Nathaniel's biggest fear is how his relationship could affect his career as a customer service technician.
I mean, if everybody found out, I'd be worried that it may affect my job. But I love him to death. I wouldn't trade him for the world. Hey, baby.
Well, maybe as a car, maybe it's really. Maybe car is happy. Car is happy to be loved. But
Yeah, love that much though. Well, we don't think it's wrong. If you want to love your car, you can love your car. Kiss him once in a while, but I don't know about the sex part. He's underneath the car going. And then you know what's sad? The car is gonna get old, it's gonna run its miles, and then he has to let it go, and then he's gonna put it in a car pile. He has to get a new car So it's kind of strange, but at least the car doesn't hurt him. It's a healthy relationship. So
guess.
Kim is telling him, don't. It's weird, no, Kim. Don't tell him about relationship with car. It seems to us you have a relationship with food that's a little over addicting. At least his car is not hurting him, right?
Yeah. But I know, like, even though they're usual people, like regular people who does have like emotional stuff to the car when they leave the car. That's what I had too. Like,
Yeah, like Yui scolds me for certain things I do with her car. So it's not that bad. So we kind of agree with Chase.
yeah.
Chase is the car,
Yeah, Chase is the car.
Nathaniel's the guy. So that's our video reaction. Thank you guys for watching. And hopefully you love cars just as much as Nathaniel did. Love every